What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're hopefully going to wrap it up on the Mustang project, and today I think it's just going to be like a full sanding day. Just a ton of sanding. We got to sand down pretty much the whole car except the roof and the hood, and then everything else we do got to sand down. We got to paint probably the entire door jamb because you got all this bodywork here, so there's just absolutely no way for me to to blend in the clear coat. So we're gonna take down everything and then just paint it as it comes from factory, just paint it with the filler. But for that, I think we're gonna pull off the front windshield at some point because it's just gonna be so much easier to sand it. Plus we got a new one over there because this one's cracked. And on that side, a couple of days ago I came in here and I remember we were doing some of the body work on this, and then this pillar actually was damaged. I don't know, maybe we did it. I don't think we did. I don't think it came from the accident. But you know what, it's there, so we gotta fix it. So at some point, maybe later, we're gonna pull out that spot puller, do some pulling, again, put some glaze putty over it. Gotta finish sanding this. We gotta tear this entire side apart, pull the door off, pull all these seals off, and then sand down the pillar, take the fender off, sand that down, just prep everything for paint. It's just gonna be a long day because this stuff takes super long. We wanna make it nice. So a lot of the stuff is gonna be on time lapse, so just enjoy the time lapse.
Yeah, and also we're gonna finish wiring in properly the control box for the Valvetronic flaps. There's a plug and play stuff, like you just plug it in, but we don't want that.
Plug and play.
First, it looks kind of ugly, and we want to make it right. So we're gonna go ahead and tap it into the fuse box. There's like a kit you use, so we're gonna make it right.
We got this new windshield remover tool. The other one was just like super hard to use because you had to use straight up manpower. This right here should be like a ratchet one. Let's see how it works. Roll away. We got the new windshield, we got the new doors, got the new rear windshield installed. But no, I'm just kidding. We've taped everything off. We pulled off the front windshield. We got both the fenders off. I think we're gonna pull them outside here as well. I'm gonna be scuffing those down. So let's go ahead and wet sand this side. I think we're gonna hold off on this side just for a little bit, just because we gotta do some repairs on here and then finish sanding down there. So I think we're just gonna wrap it up on that side and then do the fenders, and then we'll see if we're gonna have enough daylight for this. All right, guys, so we're done with this side as well. The spot puller does an amazing job. It's kind of a lifesaver. You just do a little bit of pulling, so much less body work, so much less sanding, so that's amazing. I did put a little thin glazed putty layer on there and on the bottom as well, just because we have to come back and sand it down a little bit. It's a little chilly outside, so we let the infrared light kind of do the job, let it heat up and cure it a little faster. But I think we're gonna set the car aside for a little bit, go inside the shop and clean it up, because it needs to be as clean as a surgical room. You can't have any type of dust particles or anything, because clear coat is just super sticky and it picks that stuff up straight to your panel. So let's go ahead and clean the shop up. It's a beautiful day out here. We're just having fun wearing t-shirts. It's nice and warm out here finally. Can't wait for summer. But yeah, let's set the car aside, go clean the shop up and get ready for the paint job.
Guys, so it is the next day here and we got these fenders outside. We're gonna let them bake up in the sun a little bit. They're pretty dry, but they need to finish drying completely. And these look absolutely insane. There's a little bit of dust particles under there, which is buffable. Unfortunately, we don't have the best conditions for painting. We don't have a spray booth, but we are working on that. So hopefully down the line we'll have proper equipment and the place. But today we just washed the hood, so we're gonna throw the fenders on, and it looks like the color matches. It's got the right metallics, everything in there. So we're gonna toss them on, see how it matches color wise and everything. And if everything lines up, everything's perfect, we're gonna hop on painting the whole entire car, finishing sanding the other side, and we'll see how it goes.
All right guys, so check this out. We test fitted this panel, it looks awesome. There's a ton of like super cool dark blue metallics. It's really hard to tell them on camera. I tried getting some decent B-rolls of this metallics, it's still a little harder. It's really hard to match them with the old paint because there's a couple of colors, like they have some that have less metallics and there's some that have more. And I think these are the exact same, as just these panels are like super scratched up. We tried it to the door, tried it to the fender. They look pretty similar, so I hope after buffing it they're going to look the exact same. I don't think, unfortunately, we're going to get to painting the whole car today because we got to take care of some things at home. This is going to be a wrap for today's video, unfortunately, but in our next video we're definitely going to have this thing painted. So don't forget to stay tuned. Go ahead and give us a follow on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe, leave your thoughts and comments down below, and we'll catch you guys next time.